So for those who don't know me, I am a double board certified OBGYN and fertility specialist. REI is a very long, very short acronym for a very long name, reproductive endocrinology and infertility specialist or hormone expert. Now, if you follow the uterus down, you see this narrow canal here. This is called the cervix. The cervix is the narrow part of the uterus. It's long and narrow at the bottom. It forms a canal that opens into the vagina, which leads to the outer portion of the body. So a little bit more on age and quality. As I mentioned, we have very straightforward tests to look at quantity. And so we're not going to focus on that in this slide. What we're really talking about here is the age-related decline with regards to quality.